Hi, this is Jack with the Black Dog Cigar Bar 60-second review. Today, the last call Puro, 6x46 with a Nicaraguan binder and filler and an Ecuadorian Habano Rosado wrapper. It's got a torpedo-style tip, but it's not called a torpedo. It's called a Puro, but all the information I can find says it has the same Ecuadorian Rosado wrapper as the other last calls. Longer and thinner than the flagship of the line, it has the same tastiness we've come to enjoy from last call. But the red pepper and citrus seem to last longer on the finish. Full-bodied, medium strength, it does burn a little faster, but that does not take away from how enjoyable a smoke they are. The last call, Puro. Come on by and have one at the Black Dog Cigar Bar.